everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome to my channel. Today I have a requested packing video for you guys featuring the brand new Jujube Be Nurtured, which is technically a pump bag, but I have it packed up as a diaper bag as requested for my son Colton and I. He is 8 months old, and this is also packed up in a minimalist way because I really don't like carrying things that I know that I'm not really going to use, so I only pack the essentials in my diaper bags these days. So I hope this video will be helpful for you guys, and I would love if you give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe while you're here because I have a lot more fun videos coming later this year. So let's get started. The first things I want to go over are some of the features on the outside of the bag. Since this is a brand new bag, I am also going to be doing a review in this video. On the very front of the bag here, you have a magnetic snap closure, and it's just a small little pocket, which is super cute, good for a smaller phone and anything that you want to grab quickly. You also have another magnetic flap pocket down here, which is your mommy pocket. On the top up here, you have a grab handle that is not padded, but it is also very handy to pull your bag in and out of the car, so I love that. On the sides, you have two good-sized D-rings, and those are for the included messenger strap that comes with this bag, and this is very adjustable. You can wear this bag over the shoulder, crossbody, and as a backpack with the detachable straps that come with this bag. So it is convertible, and I love that about it. You also have a nice good-sized pocket on this side here. This is your big pump pocket on this side. And on the other side, over here, you have your smaller pocket. On the back here, you have your detachable backpack straps. And these are nice and padded, so I love that. You also have a large slip pocket back here and a tech pocket that is kind of hidden away. So that is the Be Nurtured from the outside of the bag. I will jump into the inside in just a little bit to show you guys more of what I have inside. So the first things that I want to go through are the front parts here. So on the very front pocket here, I just have my little tissue holder. This is made by Little E Design on Etsy, and this just holds all my tissues, and I tend to need those pretty often, especially with spring coming. That's the only thing that I had in this pocket. I did try to fit my iPhone 8 Plus in here. It did not fit. It was too big, but I'm sure that a regular iPhone 8 and any size that's a little bit smaller would fit in here just fine. In the front mommy pocket here, I do love, there's two magnets here. There's one here, and it just kind of closes nicely over that. And I love that. It's not even noisy. It won't wake your baby or anything, so that's a great feature. This is what the inside of the mommy pocket looks like. You have a sunglass holder here. You have a key fob, which I have my keys on, and that is one of my favorite features about the mommy pockets and the Jujube diaper bags, is the key leashes. They are amazing and I love them. You can use them for coin purses and small set pieces as well. So also down in here you have a mesh pocket, and down in there I have a small set piece. Go ahead and close that real quick. So in my small set piece here, I just have some things for myself. So I have some chapstick, I have a lip gloss, some blotting wipes, a mirror, a hairbrush, and some hand cream. So that is all that I have in my small set piece. Also in here I have my wallet. So I have my little Be Charged here. This just holds all of my credit cards and insurance cards and things like that, and I love the Be Charged. It is my all-time favorite wallet out of any wallet I have ever used, so I highly recommend those. And that is all that I had in there, but there's also a long zippered pocket down in here, and you can fit paperwork, or you can keep your flatter wallets in there if you want a little extra security, so that's a great pocket. I love it. On this side of the bag, I have my passy pod here, and I just have one passy in there and a little passy clip from Ryan and Rose on there. I love that. And this is just in case he gets a little crazy while we're out. He's not a big passy fan, but it is always a good idea to have one on just in case. So I have that. This is the smaller of the two pockets on the side of the bag, and I'll go ahead and go through that now. So what you have in here is a little bit of an empty space in front of this pocket here. So you have a little mesh pocket here, and then you have a little bit of space in front. And I just decided to put my hands and face wipes for the baby. So I just have some in there, and this is a Wipeout Mini. I love these and highly recommend them, and I will post a link down below for you guys so you can go find those online if you'd like. That's all that I had in that pocket. Let's move on to this side. The first thing I have over here is I have my Fobs by Andrea fob that is attached to one of the zipper pulls, And this just looks really cute with my Donatella Sweet Shop stuff, so I decided to put it on to add a little sparkle to the outside of the bag. Now I'm going to go through the pump pocket, and this pump pocket is huge. You can fit your Spectra S1 in there, your S2. You can fit all kinds of different sized pumps in this pocket, so I love it. I'm not actually using it in that way in this video. In this video, I have this as my snack cave. And I call it a cave because, like I said, this pocket is really deep and huge. So, and it's insulated with 3M Thinsulate, so it'll keep your things nice and warm or cool in there. So if you have breast milk or you have formula, anything like that that needs to be kept cold or warm, it's perfect for that. So I have a bottle of water in here in one of the Advent cups that I own. These are my favorite baby bottles for breastfed babies because it is really easy for them to transition to and from this bottle to the breast. So I love that. So I just have a bottle of water in there, and I also have a Be Neat in here for all the snacks that my baby is going to eat out of the snack tower that I have here. He is very messy, so I have a Be Neat. And that is Jujubee's bib. If you've never owned one of those, you need to get one because they are my favorite and I love them. So also back here, I have a InnoBaby Snackin' Smart, and I'll link that down below for you guys too. But I love this tower. I have some Rice Puffs up here, some formula here, wagon wheels, and arrowroot cookies. So this is just like if we are out for a very long time and I need to give him little snacks in between feedings, then this would be perfect for that, to keep him a little busy. So those are my snacks and things. And over here, I just have a Swell Traveler bottle, and this is a 12 ounce, and this just holds my water for me. So that's all that I had in there, but it's a deep pocket, guys. So that is all that I had on this pocket here. So the last thing I have to go over on the outside of the bag is this back area here, which is great. You have your detachable backpack straps, which are very comfortable. They're just like the BFF ones. And back here you have a deep slip pocket like I showed you guys earlier, and in here I have my change pad from my Jujubee BFF and ... And this bag is, like I said, technically not a diaper bag, it is a pump bag. So this one does not come with a change pad. You have to provide your own from another bag or something that you bought separately. So I just have this one, and I love those change pads. They're memory foam, so cozy for your baby. So that's all I had in this slip pocket here. In this very back zipper pocket, this is your tech pocket, so it is felt lined. It'll keep a phone safe and sound or a small camera. I have my iPhone 8 Plus in there, and this was fitting up and down, no problem in there. So you can close it right over the top of that. Something I do want to mention is that this pocket is not padded, so anything you put back here would have to be soft on your back. You don't want to put anything hard in here because that would be very uncomfortable to wear. So that's just something to take note of. Also, something great about this bag is that it has metal feet on the bottom. So if you put this on the ground, you don't have to worry about this getting all scratched up on the bottom. If it's gonna scratch anything, it's going to be the feet of the bag. So that is great. Let's go ahead and jump onto the inside. So this is what the top of the Be Nurtured looks like. I really love the way it opens. It kind of reminds me of the base. If you guys don't know what that bag is, I will link a video for it right here. But it does remind me of that in the way it opens, and I really like that type of zipper. So let's go ahead and open it. Nice smooth zippers as always. So what I'm going to do is kind of flip back this front part so you guys can see how I have this packed up. And that wire in the front there really helps with opening this. So this is what it looks like from the top, and the very first thing I have on top here is a medium set piece in Donatella Sweet Shop. In here I just have a few toys for my son to keep him busy. I have this cool newbie teether toy, and this thing is really awesome. He chews on it all the time, so I love that one. Next, I have a little Finn and Emma rattle toy. This is a little wolf guy. He's super cute. It is a stroller toy, so you just hook this over the stroller and your child can play with it. I have a matching one. It's a little wooden teether. He loves these wooden teethers. They're perfect for teething babies. Love these. And these are by Finn and Emma, and I will leave a discount code down below for you guys so you can get 15% off your purchase if you decide to shop through there. The last thing I have is that raspberry teether I showed you in my last packing video. This thing is a complete winner. Definitely buy this for your baby if they are teething. It is awesome. So that was all I had in my medium set piece. Now you can see just a little bit better how I have this packed up. On this side over here, I have a rolled up sweater for my little guy. This is just to keep him warm while we are out and about. Now this shiny thing over here, this is actually the part of the pump pocket that goes onto the inside of the bag. Now if you are not using that pocket at all you have to do is smush it over to the side into itself pretty much like that. Hopefully you can see that. And then you could easily fit a fuel cell down in there or 2 more Be Quicks, whatever you want to do. This bag has a ton of space and I really love that. The next thing I have in here is my large set piece in ... And in here I just have change of clothes for the baby. I have a bib by Baby Olay in the Unikiki print. It's so cute. I have a little pair of pants for him. And then I have this adorable little shirt by Cannes Designs. It says mic drop. I just thought that was so cute. So that is his little outfit. Plus I have a little pair of socks down in there. Always need those in the winter time. Right behind that I have a Jujubee Be Quick in Donatella's Sweet Shop. In here I just have diapering necessities. I have 5 size 4 diapers in here. Then I also have a baggie dispenser for stinky diapers or anything else that gets wet. And then I also have a wipe pouch in the Sweet Kitty Corn print. Thought that was really cute with Donatella's Sweet Shop. And that just has my diaper wipes in it, so I love that. Now you have a pretty good look at what the inside of the bag looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring this piece back out because then you can see just how much of this pocket fills up the inside of this bag. It's actually a pretty good portion if you have it fully extended like that. So hopefully that helps give you guys a visual. But over here there is a tall elastic mesh pocket, and this is a great pocket for baby bottles. It's great for large Swell bottles and things like that, but it's also a great place to secure your nursing cover. So that's what I have. I have my Baby Olay nursing cover in Unikiki, and literally that is the only organization type of pocket in this bag on the inside. So I really needed something to secure that. So that was the pocket I chose, and I think it's perfect there. The only other pocket you have is this back zipper pocket, which I don't even have anything in. Like I said, this is a minimalist video, so I'm not gonna try and fill up every single pocket just for a video. It's how I would actually pack this bag up for a day out because I want to help you guys. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. And that is pretty much all I have in this bag, and it's a great bag. And this bag is releasing on February 6th at 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I would love if you guys would shop Jujubee with me for this release. I will leave my affiliate link down here as well as in the description below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe while you're here. Thanks for watching!